Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss program number 12, that is to generate all the Hamiltonian cycles. First, let us understood what do we mean by Hamiltonian cycles. Then Hamiltonian cycle is a round trip path that begins with the one vertex, visits all the intermediate vertex only once and return back to the original vertex. This is called as Hamiltonian cycle. It is simply a round trip path that begins from the node vertex 1, visits all the intermediate vertices and return back to original node 1. Here we start discussing the program number 12 as a Hamiltonian cycle. Starts with the public class lab 12, then declare one local variable as static integer n that indicates the number of vertices we consider in a Hamiltonian cycle. Then public static void main string args, read the n value, that is scanner in new scanner system.in, create the interface for the input device, then system.out.println, enter the number of vertices, then n is equal to in dot next integer. This will read the number of vertices you want to consider in the Hamiltonian cycle, or it should be an best example of a graph example, and the n will reads the number of vertices in the graph you want to consider. Then integer graph is an array variable, two-dimensional or the multi-dimensional array variable that will read all the adjacency matrix for Hamiltonian cycle. Then declare one two-dimensional array as integer graph, a new integer 10 by 10. Then system.out.println, enter adjacency matrix of a graph, and this is the input for a Hamiltonian cycle. Then integer I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Integer for integer j is equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus. Read all the adjacency matrix as graph of ij is equal to in dot next integer. Then next you have to display the entire adjacency matrix for this given graph, again by using for loop. For integer I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Then for integer j is equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus. Then system.out.println and display all the graph values. Then once you read the adjacency matrix as the input for the Hamiltonian cycle, then you have to make call to this Hamiltonian cycle function. This make call to this function Hamiltonian cycle, and this function will generate all possible Hamiltonian cycle for the given input, and input for this Hamiltonian cycle function is the graph or is the adjacency matrix. Then make call to this function Hamiltonian cycle with input as a graph. Then here the function starts as static boolean Hamiltonian cycle and integer graph is the input. Then integer path is equal to new integer n plus 1. You have to create one local variable as a path, array variable as path, and integer n plus 1. This path will hold all the intermediate path, or it will hold all the possible path for a given Hamiltonian cycle, and also it will check whether the path is possible or not for the given adjacency matrix. Then integer path is equal to new integer I plus 1. Then for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, path I is equal to minus 1, path 0 is equal to 0. If Hamiltonian cycle until, here you have to check the cycle is possible or not by providing graph as the input and the path value and the 1 is equal to false. Then you have to say system.out.println solution does not exist, return value as the false, otherwise the solution is possible, and you have to print solution with a path as the input and return path. The next check two more functions as Hamiltonian cycle is possible or not, and also if possible print the solution. Then here I have to check the Hamiltonian cycle is possible or not by using this function Hamiltonian cycle until integer graph as the input, integer path and integer position. If position is equal to n, then that is the n is number of nodes in the graph. Then if graph path of position minus 1 plus path of 0 is equal to 1, then return true, otherwise return false. Otherwise the path is not possible because you are not returning back to the original vertex or the node 1, else the path is false. Then next you have to check for integer v is equal to 1, v is less than n and v plus plus, check the path is safe or not. The safe is nothing but whether you are visiting all the vertices only once or you are visiting any one of the vertex multiple times, that you have to check here. that is to identify the path is safe or not, that is safe phi graph and path and position. If path of position is equal to v, then if Hamiltonian cycle unit is graph comma path comma position 1 is equal to true, then you have to return true, otherwise you have to return position as -1. Then the next one is you have to check the path is safe or not, that is if is safe, then integer vertex graph and integer path and integer position. If graph and path position -1 vertex is equal to 0, then return false, otherwise integer I is equal to 0, I is less than position I plus plus, and if path of I is equal to v, then return false and false, otherwise return true. Then finally, if the path is exists, you have to display all the possible solution by using print solution function. Then static void print solution, the possible all the paths are stored into the array variable path, and you have to display output as system.out.println solution exists, then display system.out.println following is one of the Hamiltonian cycle, then for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than an I plus plus, then system.out.println path of I, and you have to display system.out.println path of 0. Then let us execute this experiment with some sample inputs. Then execute this program and enter the number of vertices in the graph as 6. Then enter the adjacency matrix as shown in this diagram as 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0, and this is entered adjacency matrix will be displayed as it is, and finally it will display one Hamiltonian cycle that starts with node 0, next followed by 1, next visits 5, next visits 4, next visits 2, next visit 3, and finally visit to the original node 0. This is an possible Hamiltonian cycle for this given inputs.